Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about at the farmer's market. Let's go! I just say those green things.
Ha! Same for me. That gives me an idea for today's drive.
Oh no. Is this another one of your wild challenges, Leo?
Yes, it's a quiz. The theme is shopping for food outside.
Good. I will give you a situation. You guess the vocabulary word.
Great. And you at home, driving or on the bus, play with us. Shout out the answer.
Yes. Say it before Leo does. You also need to spell it.
Of course you would say that, Debbie. You were a teacher for so long.
Okay. Are you ready for your first one? It is an easy one to start.
I think so. I just had my morning coffee. I have lots of energy.
Good. Imagine it's Saturday morning. You go to a place outside with many sellers. They have fresh food.
Ooh, I know this. I go every weekend. Is it a farmer's market?
Yes, that is the one. Can you spell it for everyone listening?
Sure. It's फ़armers, then a new word, ʻmɑːrkɪt. Farmer's market.
Great job. A farmer's market is a place outside. Farmers sell their food there directly.
I love going to the one near my apartment. They have great coffee beans.
Of course you mentioned coffee. I get my Earl Grey tea from a seller there.
A good tip is to go early. You get the best food before it's all gone. What is your next word?
Okay. At the farmer's market, you see lots of things to buy. I mean fruits and vegetables.
Like apples, carrots, potatoes. There is one word for all those things.
Yes, that is right. What is the general word we use for them?
I know this one. I think it is produce. Is that right? Produce.
Yes, produce. Well done. Produce just means fresh fruits and vegetables.
My sister Mia always buys too much produce. Then she doesn't know what to cook.
Oh, that's funny. I do that too. My cat Biscuit just stares at the bags.
I am feeling good. I am 2 for 2. Give me the next one.
This is the last one from me for now. What do we call a person who sells things?
A person at one of those little tables. They take your money.
Right. They might be the farmer, or maybe they just work for the farm.
Let me think. I want to say seller, but there's another word. Is it vendor? Vendor.
Yes, vendor is the word. A vendor is a person who sells goods.
I talked to a nice vendor last week. He told me how to cook a type of squash.
That's nice. It's good to talk to the vendors. They know so much about the food.
Okay, that's 3 for me. Now it is my turn to quiz you, Debbie.
I am ready. I've had my tea. My brain is working now. Go on.
Okay. Imagine the food comes from a farm near your city. It didn't travel far.
Oh, I know this. This is very popular now. People want to buy this food.
Yes, that's right. It supports the farmers in your area. So what is the word?
It's local. LOCL. The food is local. That was an easy one.
Yes. Local means from a nearby area, not from a different country.
I always try to buy local honey. They say it can be good for allergies.
That's a good point. I buy local eggs. The yolks are so much brighter.
Okay, I feel sure now. What is your next quiz question for me?
Right. This word describes food that was picked very recently. It is not old.
I can almost taste it. Like a tomato that is still warm from the sun.
Yes, just like that. It's not from a can. It was on the plant yesterday.
The word is fresh. FRESA. That's a good one.
Correct. Fresh food is new and not frozen or in a can. Simple.
I love the smell of fresh bread. My local market has a man who bakes it.
Oh, me too. I go to the gym, then I ruin it by eating fresh bread.
Ha! It is all about balance, Leo. Everything in moderation. I am ready for more.
Okay, last one for you in this round. This word is about how the food is grown.
Tell me more. How is it different from normal food?
The farmers do not use chemicals to help the plants grow. It is all natural.
Oh, of course. I know what this is. Many people look for this label.
So what is it? I bet the listener in their car already said it.
It's organic. Organic. The food is grown in a natural way.
You got it. Organic food is grown without artificial chemicals. It can be more expensive.
Yes, that's true. I buy organic carrots. I think they taste sweeter.
My mom always buys organic milk. She says it is better for you. Okay, my turn again.
Back to me quizzing you. Let's see if you can keep your perfect score.
I am a little nervous. This feels like a real contest now.
Okay. This word describes food that only grows during a certain time of year.
Ooh, like strawberries in the summer. Or pumpkins in the autumn. I know this.
Yes, that is the best example. You cannot get them all year.
The word is seasonal. seasonal. Seasonal fruit is the best.
That's right. Seasonal means it is only available during a certain season.
I love eating seasonal food. It always tastes better and is usually cheaper.
I agree. I always tell people to buy strawberries in June, not December.
Okay, I am ready. What is next for me? Don't make it too hard.
This is a fun word. It describes something made by a skilled person, not a big company.
Oh, like special bread or cheese. The person makes it in a traditional way.
Yes, exactly. It is made by hand in small amounts. What is it?
Is the word artisan? Artisan, like artisan bread.
You are doing well today. Yes, artisan. It means made by a skilled person.
I bought some artisan cheese last month. It was very good, but so expensive.
Yes, it often costs more. But you are paying for the skill and the quality.
That's true. The vendor was very proud of his cheese. He had a great story.
Last one for you in this section. A vendor sells their things from a kind of table.
A table or a small shop. It is usually open at the front.
That is a very good explanation. It is a simple structure at a market.
Okay, I think the word is stall. STOLL. Did I get it?
You did. A stall is a small open shop in a market.
Phew, I got it. I always look at the fruit stalls first. They are so colorful.
Same for me. I love the flower stalls. The smell is always so nice.
Okay, my turn again. This is the last round. 3 more for you, Debbie.
Let's do it. I think the score is even right now. This is the final test.
Right. So, you see some cheese at a stall. The vendor gives you a tiny piece to try.
My favorite part of the market. You can taste it before you buy.
Yes. What is that little piece of food called? It is free.
That is a sample. SAMPLE. I love getting free samples.
You got it. A sample is a small amount of something to try.
Sometimes I walk past the same stall twice, just to get another sample.
Ah, I do that with the little pieces of fruit. Don't tell anyone.
Your secret is safe. Okay, 2 more words to go. I'm ready.
Okay, you like the cheese. You want to buy it. What do you ask the vendor?
Oh, a phrase this time. Not just one word. This is a useful one.
Very useful. You are pointing at the cheese. You need to know the price.
You ask, how much is this? It's a full question. HOWMUCHISTHIS.
Great. How much is this? Is the question you ask to find out the price.
My students always found this phrase very useful. It is important for shopping.
My sister Mia is learning Mandarin. She says asking for prices is really hard.
Yes, it can be scary in a new language. But it's so important to learn.
Okay, final word of the quiz. You bought your cheese, your bread, your vegetables.
And I need something to carry it all home in. I don't want a plastic one.
Exactly. You brought your own from home. It is made of cloth.
I have one with a picture of my cat Biscuit on it. It's a reusable bag.
Yes. The last answer is reusable bag. R-E-U-S-A-B-L-E, then B-A-G.
A reusable bag is a bag you can use many times. It is good for the planet.
I keep 3 reusable bags in my car, so I never forget them.
That's a good idea. I have one folded up in my main handbag always.
Okay, that's it. We did all 12 words. Now for the lightning round recap.
You ask me one, then I ask you one. Let's see who is faster. Ready?
Ready. What do we call food from farms near your city? Go!
Local. Okay, my turn. What do we call all the fresh fruits and vegetables together?
Produci? Your turn. What's the name for a small piece of food you try for free?
A sample. What do you call the place where a vendor sells things?
A stall. What do you call food grown without any chemicals?
Organic. What is the question you ask to know the price of something?
How much is this? Okay, last one for you. The whole big place outside.
A farmer's market. Ha! I think I was faster on that one.
I think the listener beat both of us. You were probably shouting in your car.
I bet they did. It is so much easier when you hear the clues a second time.
Well done to you. And well done to us, Debbie. We make a good team.
We do. And it's much more fun than learning from a textbook, I think.
I agree. I am almost at my office now. The traffic was not too bad today.
That's good to hear. My bus is just pulling up to my stop now.
So, how many did you get right? Be honest with yourself. Count them up.
Even if you only got a few, that is great. These were not all easy.
That is so true. The word artisan can be a little hard to remember.
Yes, and produce is a bit tricky. It has 2 different pronunciations.
We hope this helped make your drive a little more fun today.
And now you are ready for your next trip to the farmer's market.
You can use all this new vocabulary. Go get some fresh local produce.
Just don't forget your reusable bag. That is my final piece of advice.
A very important tip. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive!